Okay, I tell myself I'm going to stop shooting YouTube videos, and then I see something like this. It's a little park here beside the post office. There's absolutely no one here, and on this picnic table someone has arranged these orange slices with the bougainvilleas, and it's just absolutely beautiful. And then they put 3 rocks and leaving 1 space for a person, I guess. There, we'll see an aerial view. Very nice and very unexpected. But why is it here? Makes no sense at all. Here's more of a long shot. You can see the table against the wall in this little sliver of a park. And there's absolutely no one here. I just came here to mail a letter and just stumbled across this creation. Of course, it's very windy all of a sudden. And there's another picture without too much wind. Just sitting there all forlorn all by itself. I'm tempted to eat it, but then that would ruin the artistry of it. I don't know what I'm going to do. But what a fun, creative endeavor that was. Then I mailed a letter and found this. Okay, it's hard to get because of the wind and the traffic noise and everything, but this is what it looks like. Here's the little rotating thing, and that's how I saw it, and it's just a collection of orange slices. And it's very beautiful with the orange and the pink bougainvillea or purple bougainvillea. But how unique. Who put it there? Why'd they put it there? What's it for? It's almost ritualistic with the 3 boulders on the seats and the 1 open one inviting someone. It's all been swept. The area's been swept off. Very interesting. And this is by the post office right on Vermont. And this is the same post office that Charles Bukowski worked at. And you don't even see anything there, just this strip of dry grass.